Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. In this episode, we're talking about 5 print-on-demand niches that are trending right now that if you sell in, you can hopefully increase your sales in the near term. Let's get to it. First, let's look at the organic top 10 best sellers on Amazon. So in the first spot, you have the 250 years, 1776, 2026 with the big bald eagle with the red, white, and blue wings. That graphic is pretty epic, and it has a 7,800 BSR. In the second spot, you've got Abraham Lincoln ripping the electric guitar. It says America's 250th, 12,000 BSR. In the third spot, it says awesome like my daughter. The awesome like my daughter, awesome like my son-in-law, or my son-in-law is my favorite child. I don't know. It's just the text-based designs on Mother's Day and Father's Day, specifically in the daughter, daughter-in-law, son, son-in-law niches or sub-niches or cross-niches, whatever we're calling it, they do extremely well. And if you want a quick tip, this is not, okay, I was just going to say, if you need a good font, write down the font name Veneer, all right? I don't think that's Veneer font, but it looks like a little bit of a mix of like Veneer and Edmund texture. But like, if you see a design like that and you're like, all right, what font is it? You know, what's stopping me from making that design? Really just the font. A good one is Veneer. All right, I'd write that one down. Anyways, awesome like my daughter, 17,000 BSR. Next, dad tax, making sure it's not poison, 17,000 BSR. In the number 5 spot, awesome like my daughters, 17,000 BSR. 6th spot, 250 years, 1776, 2026, 22,000 BSR. It's got the red, white, and blue. It's got the fighter jets. In the number 7 spot, it is the red, white, and blue ice cream dripping on the baseball home plate, 22,000 BSR. In the number 8 spot, Faith, Freedom, 250 years. It's got the cross with the red, white, and blue. It's got the bald eagle and 23,000 BSR. In the number 9 spot, it says, bruh, it's my last day of school. Sign my shirt, 24,000 BSR. And then in the number 10 spot, it is the vertical American flag, 250 years, 24,000 BSR. Hopefully all of these look familiar because if you've been subscribed and watching these episodes, you have pretty much seen every single one of these niches. So we have been prepared and hopefully we're capitalizing with some sales. All right, let's move on to niche number 1. Now, the first niche is themed after what I saw in the Merch Dominator, which is the research tool I use to look at Amazon. It basically data mines Amazon 24/7, looking at real-time trends. So this is based on the newest section. Merch Dominator also sees when a listing is published and also can tell if something has sold. Because if it has a BSR, that indicates that it has sold at least once. And if you look at new created Amazon listings that have sold, what you get is potential emerging trends. Now, it doesn't mean that they're all brand new. This one I know has been around for a while, but it is along the lines of July 4th, America's 250th, etc. And it says, it's only treason if you lose. Again, what inspired this was that I saw new listings on Amazon that were just created in the last few days that have already been making sales, which in my mind means, hey, you should take note. I should take note. If somebody else can do it, why can't we do it? And we know we're only getting started in terms of the demand for these shirts. We're only getting started. It's only going to increase as we get into June and into July and really closer to July 4th. So it's only treason if you lose is niche number 1. Current BSRs, by the way, 200,000, 92,000, 250,000, 300,000, and then behind me here, 300,000. Moving on, niche number 2. Along the same line, again, this whole episode is really inspired by the newly created products that are already making sales. Because, hey, that's our goal. If you're watching this episode, I'm assuming you want to be rewarded as soon as possible with a sale or multiple sales. So this one is Loves Jesus and America 2. And actually what's interesting is the design that inspired this, me to include this as a top 5 niche, is not this one. It's a different one. I'm going to show you it in just a second, but BSRs here, actually there's little variations too. The first one says, she's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus and America too. By the way, I don't know if that's like a song lyric. It kind of sounds like it could be. So I would double check that, make sure it's safe. Before you upload anything, guys, check your trademarks, etc. I would stay away from song lyrics. That is 120,000 BSR. The next one, She Loves Jesus in America 2, 27,000 BSR. Next one is the same. She Loves Jesus America 2, 17,000 BSR. Next one, 100,000 BSR. And then next one, 177,000. Here's 5 more examples. This is what I really wanted to show you. Loves Bigfoot and America 2. By the way, Bigfoot in the past, I believe, was trademarked. So again, check that. I think Sasquatch is usually the safer way of going about it. But I don't know. I mean, again, look behind me. You've got a bunch of Bigfoot shirts that are in the 250th anniversary, July 4th adjacent niche. But this one specifically here in that first spot was uploaded in the last few days, and it's already selling. Loves Bigfoot and America 2. You got the red, white, and blue, Bigfoot, Sasquatch, etc. And then here's a couple more just adjacent ones. 250 years, Bigfoot. America being awesome for 250 years. Got Bigfoot riding the bald eagle. 250 years, the Bigfoot, Sasquatch silhouette that we're used to seeing. Another one here behind me is Bigfoot wearing the Uncle Sam top hat, riding a firework. And then behind me here, Bigfoot doing the peace sign, 250 years. So that is niche number 2. Loves Jesus in America 2, or Loves Bigfoot in America 2 was the one that sent me down this rabbit hole of research. All right, moving on, niche number 3. Before we get to niche number 3, I have a free print-on-demand course linked in the description of this video. Just give me your email address, and I will email you 1 lesson a day for 30 days. Then I have a print-on-demand Facebook group. If you want to check that out and network with other POD sellers, that is linked below. Both are completely free. Niche number 3, what the F, WTF, is a kilometer? All right, a little bit of humor there, leaning into the humor, but also we don't really use the metric system here in America. So WTF is a kilometer. 200,000 BSR in that first spot. In the number 2 spot, 300,000 BSR. In the number 3 spot, 400,000 BSR. The number 4 spot, 200,000 BSR. And number 5 spot, 400,000 BSR. Also, just check the review count on these. Not many reviews. I mean, I'm guessing this is probably the oldest shirt because it has the most reviews. It also had 50 plus sales in the last month. But there's not too many reviews on these, indicating a lot of these could be new. All right, so lean into, this is going to be an absolutely epic, massive July 4th. One for the ages, you could argue. WTF is a kilometer. Here's 5 more examples. A lot of these designs look very similar. BSRs, 500K, 400K, 700K, 1 million. Then behind me here, 400K. It looks like the prevailing, most popular design style would be George Washington in his, patriotic garb, riding a bald eagle there. All right, moving on. Niche number 4. By the way, niche number 5 is my favorite of all of these. Just to tease it in a second, I want to show you. All right, niche number 4, though. Get in, loser. We're crossing the Delaware. Now, this was trending a week or 2 ago. I shared it on top 5 niches because these are all trends that we know are going to increase in popularity. But this one specifically, I believe, is generating the most interest, the most sales. Get in, loser. We're crossing the Delaware. And you got George Washington there crossing the Delaware. This is actually kind of funny because this was one of the first Amazon merch shirts designs that I uploaded back in the day. When I say that, I mean like 2017, I made this design. The one that I uploaded, though, was George Washington crossing the Delaware, but it said Booze Cruise, and it was like alcohol inspired. So, I mean, hey, it's a story I've told before. I remember browsing Reddit one morning, and there was a trending thread that said, like, what was the funniest t-shirt you ever saw somebody wearing? And I literally went into work like 2 hours late that morning because I just stayed there at my computer making a list of every single response to that thread. And I got so many good t-shirt ideas. And the Booze Cruise one was just one that I read from Reddit that day. But anyways, this brings back good memories. That was obviously, I was probably in like tier 10, maybe tier 25. And, we've come a long way since then. But get in, loser. We're crossing the Delaware. And here's a couple more. BSRs, 100,000, 200,000, 100,000, 100,000. And then behind me here, it says NA. So this is what I'm saying. This one hasn't even sold yet. If it had sold, we would see a BSR there on Amazon. So kind of interesting. And that's one of the benefits of using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension is it tells you the BSR underneath each listing in search results so that you don't study and base your designs on products that haven't even sold. You want to prioritize studying, learning from the best sellers, which is indicated in a very convenient way right there in search results using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension They also have a web app. That's how I do a lot of my research when I'm just getting started, to get the ideas. And then I go to Amazon with the Chrome extension and I dig deeper. So that's going to be linked below if anybody wants to check it out. All right, niche number 5 this week is my favorite of all of these. And it's one that I don't think I've seen before. Maybe I haven't, I forgot. But it says 1776 National Champs. Now, National Champs might get you in trouble. I don't know. I mean, if I have any inclination it might get you in trouble, I just stay away on Amazon merch, because it sounds like a sports team that won the national championship or whatever. You don't want to get rejected on Amazon merch, right? You want to avoid those. But that being said, I just love this design in general. And I mean, these are Amazon merch t-shirts behind me that got through. So it would imply that it would be safe. But 1776 National Champs. To me, that's awesome. It leans into the 250-year anniversary as well. And it has that like sports team vibe, the champions vibe, the kind of the prevailing undercurrent of July 4th, at least in terms of t-shirts. A lot of the funny ones that I see that are selling well have that kind of theme. BSRs, 1,600,000, 1 million, 1 million, and behind me here, 1 million. So BSR wise, not on the high end, but I could totally see this taking off and being one of the more popular July 4th designs. Also worth noting, like Amazon's telling us, new on Amazon past month, new on Amazon past month, new on Amazon past month. So like 4 out of the 5 say new on Amazon recently uploaded. And also, again, you can track this using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension. If you just scroll down, like I kind of cropped it out, but if you scroll down, it does also include the date published. It's just a lot of information for me to put on the screen, so I just cropped it out. And here's a couple more examples of 250-year anniversary shirts. That is the prevailing biggest trend related to July 4th this year. You guys probably already knew that. I just wanted to point out that these 3 shirts right here have all sold over 1,000 times in the past month. Okay, that is crazy. Because if you think about it, if you sell 10 times in a day, you're making 300 sales, right? If you sell 30 times a day, you're making 900 sales. If you sell more than 40 times a day, you're cracking the 1,000 sales in the past month. Now do the math on that number real quick. It is absolutely crazy. So the 250th year anniversary, guys, I mean, we knew it was going to be big. We talked about it last year. We talked about it in advance. And now it's basically here. Peak demand is going to pick up every week as we get closer. But like we're seeing that people are being rewarded for acting on this early, as is usually the case. By the way, quick shout out to Creative Fabrica. It's the cheapest subscription for print-on-demand sellers in terms of design to make quality designs in any niche. This is just one example. You can get an entire bundle of July 4th designs. I would usually customize them personally, but this is just one example of what you can find on Creative Fabrica in the July 4th niche. And then you can put your own spin on it, which is probably what I would do, and lean into the 250th anniversary aspect. So I'll link to Creative Fabrica. If you use the link in the description, you get the best price available, which is like $4 a month, basically. So it's like pennies a day. All right, emerging trends. These are all basically outperforming their average BSR. Their current BSRs outperforming their 90-day average BSR is exactly what it is. So kind of helping us spot emerging coming trends. A lot of July 4th. Jamaica 2026 making memories together. Who knew? Be honest, you're going to miss me 6 or 7 times this summer with the 6-7 and the end of the school year. You got graduation there. Proud granny of a 2026 graduate. Another July 4th here behind me. You got the Abraham Lincoln, drinking like Lincoln with the shot glass, etc. So a lot of Abraham Lincoln stuff trendy this year. All right, looking ahead, these are hand selected by me. Smaller niches. June 24th, International Fairy Day. June 25th, Handshake Day. June 26th, National Food Truck Day. June 27th, National Onion Day. And June 28th is Log Cabin Day. The archive. Let's look back using Merch Dominator at what was trendy 11 months ago. See if we can predict what might be trendy 1 month from today in July 2026 by looking back at July 2025. Pretty wide scattering of evergreens, I would say. And then you got some cat designs here all in a row. So the cat designs as an evergreen just tend to sell well year round. All right, and removed designs. These were all removed in the last 24 hours. I see at least 3 Field Day designs, and we know Field Day is, I believe, still trademarked. I know it used to be. Spider-Man inspired designs, no surprise there. Whoever uploaded those probably got banned from Amazon merch. Was it worth it? Probably not. Couple end of school year stuff, which, by the way, these could also be removed by the uploader instead of by Amazon. So people might just be clearing space for newer trends like July 4th and the 250th year anniversary. All right, guys, thanks for watching till the end. I have a full print-on-demand course linked below. If you want to learn exactly step-by-step the most thorough hand-holding you'll ever find for print-on-demand, I can pretty much guarantee you'll find in my course. By the way, it covers research, design. It covers everything you need to know for Amazon Seller Central, for Etsy, for Redbubble, for Walmart, for eBay. It's all got its own separate module. And then at the end, automation, AI and automation. So it's all linked below in that course. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching until the end, guys. I hope you're enjoying your long weekend, and I'll see you at the next one.